Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your friendly Scrum Master, Agile Explorer, and someone who's just as curious as you about where tech is taking our roles.
And today's question is big, a bit controversial, a bit exciting. Can AI replace Scrum Masters? Or more precisely, which parts of our job can AI already do? And what are the parts that still need us as humans?
We'll dive into real tools, ChatGPT, Jira Automation, sentiment analysis, Agile metrics, and more. Plus, we'll discuss what safe end-to-end Agile frameworks say about decision-making, leadership, and team dynamics, and if AI can fit into all of that.
Before we talk about AI replacing us, let's break down what a Scrum Master really does. Not just from the textbook, but from the trenches.
Right. Let's list out the key responsibilities. Facilitating daily stand-ups, retrospectives, sprint planning, removing impediments, protecting the team from scope creep, coaching the team in Agile principles, fostering psychological safety, aligning with safe events, navigating people dynamics, power plays, and unclear priorities.
So the big question here, which of these are process tasks and which are people tasks?
Exactly. Let's explore where AI is already stepping in.
All right, let's talk about some live tools. For example, with ChatGPT, I've used it to create retrospective formats, draft sprint goals, even write Jira ticket templates. Then there's Jira AI plugins, predicting sprint risks, auto-generating change logs, suggesting ticket prioritization based on historical data.
And then you've got sentiment analysis tools like Office Vibe, Team Retro, Parabol, which track team mood, feedback trends, and help with proactive adjustments. Miro AI and Confluence AI are also doing things like summarizing notes, prepping agendas, and even detecting duplicate discussion threads.
Yeah, some of these tools are insanely useful. As a Scrum Master, AI can save a lot of time, but here's the thing, it doesn't build trust with your team.
Exactly. AI might assist with the mechanics, but it can't replace the leadership aspects of the role.
So where do we draw the line between assistance and leadership? AI simply cannot navigate team conflict with empathy, build psychological safety in a stressed-out team, sense sarcasm or cultural nuances, or ask that tough question during a retro and hold the silence.
And it can't say, "Hey, are you okay?" to a teammate who's unusually quiet. It also can't coach a product owner pushing too much mid-sprint or truly read the room. It only sees the backlog, not the team dynamics.
Exactly. In SAFe 6.0, the Scrum Master is a servant leader, team coach, and flow facilitator. AI can help with flow, but it can't coach humans on being human.
So, should Scrum Masters be worried about AI taking over?
Absolutely not, but you should be evolving. Think of AI as your Scrum assistant, not your replacement. Let it handle the mundane tasks like writing stand-up notes or summarizing sprints. But you stay focused on coaching your team, facilitating conversations, guiding product vision alignment, and creating space for failure and learning.
Yep, if AI is the brain, we're still the heart of the team.
So, what do you think? Can AI replace Scrum Masters? Or are we just getting upgraded with new tools? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you used AI in your Scrum Master role? What worked well and what felt off?
And would you trust ChatGPT to run your retro? Are there tasks you wish AI could handle for you?
If this conversation got you thinking, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We post weekly episodes on real-world Scrum coaching, safe leadership tips, and the intersection of Agile and emerging tech like AI.